All right, guys, we are live again, and today we are hoping to meet our target in today's live session. Yes. All right, so today we are going to be having a live stream. Today we are going to be having a challenge. We are going to be having a challenge today. We are going to be we are going to be turning $10 into what? We are going to be turning $10 into $100 in this live stream. It is a challenge. We are going to see if we can possibly turn $10. If it is possible to turn $10 into $100 in today's live stream session. Last week was wonderful. I went head to head against AI and I won. Yes, I won. No, I didn't win. It was a draw. I went head to head against AI last week and it ended up being a draw. Today, I'm back again with another challenge. Remember the week before last, we tried to use $50 to make $100, but we could not complete the challenge. It was extremely difficult, especially because the market was not stable that moment at all. The market wasn't stable. The market was not in our favor at that moment. So we couldn't complete that challenge. I said we were going to try it again, but we couldn't get back to it. But now today, let's try $10. Now, if you're just joining us, if you're just joining me for the first time, my name is Smiling Josh, and this is Trading with Smiling Josh. I'm that guy that pride myself with teaching people how to trade with the easiest of all easy strategy, the simplest of all simple strategy. Today we are going to be using two strategies to trade today. I call it, one is the momentum strategy and the other one will be what's the MACD strategy. I'm going to be teaching it. I've already used it to trade before. MACD is one of my favorite strategy that I use in trading. And so today we are going to be making use of it. Yes, we're going to be making use of these two strategies today. We're not going to be making use of them to confirm each other. No, we're not confirming each other with them. We just use anyone we feel like using, we use. If I feel like using momentum, I use. If I feel like using MACD, I use. That's just how it goes. That's how today's trade is going to go. So we're going to see if we can make $100 just from $10 on our today's trading session using any of the strategy. Both strategies are good. Both strategies are good. But today we are going to see which we are going to see if we can make $100 using any of the both strategy. And I'm also going to explain the strategy for you. Yes, I'm going to explain the strategy for you too. And I'm going to explain the entry and the exit time frame and everything. So I'm going to explain them to you. So please do not panic. Unfortunately, today Euro USD, OTC, and Euro USDT are so low. They are so low. You can see it here. And please, guys, please stick around. I'm going to be dropping 100% promo code. Okay, I think Euro USD is a bit manageable, so let's add it to our list. Yes, it's about 71%. It's a bit manageable, so let's add it. Let's manage it for today. And Euro USD OTC is very small. So guys, please stick around. I want you to stick around. I'm going to be dropping a promo code. Yes, I'm going to be dropping a promo code soon that you can use to deposit. Now, this promo code will help you a lot because when you use this promo code and you deposit, you will receive 100% bonus of what you deposit, which will help you stay longer in the market, trade longer, wait for those good moves, and make sure you do not blow your account easily. Yes, if you just deposit $100 without it being multiplied, you can blow it quickly. Yes, but if you deposit $100 using the promo code, you will be receiving $200 as a bonus, $100 as a bonus, which means you are now having $200. Do you understand me? So please make sure to make use of the promo code. I'm going to be dropping it on this live stream section today. So let's go over today. Today's challenge is easy. I'm going to see if I can make what $100 from $10. So I'm going to be entering my first trade with $5. I'm going to be entering it with $5. My first trade, I'll enter with $5. Yes, and I'm going to be increasing it as I see fit because you can't be trading with $5 and expect to make $100 just by trading $5. No. So first trade I might trade with $5. I will trade with $5. Second trade I might trade with $10. Third trade I might trade with $15. Just like the way I see fit, how I see fit, and the strategy and the market condition That's what I'm going to use. So there's no specific trading entry, but I'm trading. I only have $10 to make what $100. So I want to trade with half of it for now. Yes, but as a new beginner, if you have $100 account, you should not be trading with $50. No, you should only be trading with 10% of your deposit. Just like if you deposit $100 using our promo code, you receive extra $100, which is $200. So you can be trading with at least, or you can be trading with at most $20. That is a definition of a good trader. If you deposit, do not trade with more than 10% of your capital. Just like when you deposit $100 and you receive with our promo code and receive extra $100, making it $200, you can use $20 to enter each trade. So that in case you lost, you can double it, then recover the trade. And in case you lost again, you can also double and recover. So that is it, guys. Do not use more than 10% of your account to trade. But today is a challenge. I'm going to be starting with $5 for the challenge. Yes. All right. So let's go back. So welcome, guys. Welcome to the stream. Now, I can see that my MACD now is giving me a signal to what? To buy. So let me buy. Before I will explain, let me buy. Okay. Euro USDT is now at 80%. That is good. That is good. Euro USDT is now at 80%. So now let me quickly explain this MACD. This one is momentum. I will explain it later. Let me first of all explain this MACD. Please, you do not need to use the two together to trade. Yes, you can use one of them to trade. You should not use the two together, but I just want to make use of the two just because I feel like. But you can use any of the two. One of them is enough. But if you want to use both, you can use both. But they are not dependent on each other. You don't use one as confirmation. No, they are both depending on trend. They are both trend. They are both momentum. Momentum is trend. Yes, so they are both momentum based indicators. They show you the momentum. Now, how does the MACD work? The MACD work basically by showing you the MACD pictures, which is the MACD bars. We have green bars and we have red bar. Now, if there are red bars, it means the market is what? Is in an up position. It's going up. And if there are green bars, if there are red bars, it means the market is going down. And if there are green bars in the MACD, like you can see here, it means the market is going up. That is what it basically means. Now, how do we not trade using the bars of the MACD? It says that the MACD trading rule says that you should enter a green if there are at least two greens, or you can wait for a third green to confirm. Yes, because anytime the MACD is showing a particular color, it will show about 3, 4, or 5 before it switches to another color. Yes. So there's every probability that if it shows 2 red, the next one might be a red. So you can simply enter. If it shows 2 green, the next one might be a green, so you can quickly enter a buy. If it shows 2 red, the next one might be a red, so you can quickly enter a sell. So that is how to enter with MACD using the bars. Now, the second way to enter with MACD is the crossover line. The trend line? This is the trend line. This green line is the trend line. This red line is the MACD line. If this green line cross upwards over the trend line, the MACD line crosses upward. If the MACD line crosses upward, this green line crosses upward over the red line, which is the trend line, it means the market is going up. So you take a buy. If it crosses downwards the red line, it means what? The market is going down. So you take what? You take a sell. So these are the two ways to trade MACD. Yes, these are the two ways to trade MACD. These are the two ways to trade MACD. Yes, so and the major way I use, you can see, and what you want to avoid is when they keep on crossing repeatedly. Like any other strategy, you should avoid them when the lines keep on crossing repeatedly. Like here, crossed and crossed again. So you should avoid those places, means the market is stagnant. And also you want to look for a market that is not stagnant. I've taught you guys several times what a stagnant market is. You can see this market is kind of stagnant because it's clearly not going up and down. You can see it went up here, it's coming down still, and it's not still yet in a full downtrend. So now let's take a sell. If this bar, MACD bar, closes in a red, you are taking a sell, because we have 2 red, so we are taking a sell. So if it closes in the red, we are taking a sell. Let's go and see this one. Okay. There are 2 bars, so let's take a buy. because there are two green bars. So I've taken a buy for $5 right now. I've taken a buy for $5 and our time frame is 3 minutes. Our chart time frame, that's where I made a mistake. We're supposed to enter a candlestick time frame of 1 minute. Yes, supposed to use a candlestick time frame of 1 minute. So guys, so the time frame, so what time frame am I using? 1 minute for the candlestick time frame. Why? 3 minutes for the what? For the trade expiration. I repeat, I'm using 1 minute for the candlestick time frame. And what expiry time am I using? 3 minutes for the trade expiration. What strategy am I using? MACD strategy. So how do we now take a trade using the MACD strategy? Let me quickly tell you again before I drop the promo code for today. Yes, let me quickly tell you before I drop the promo code for today. So we're using this one currently. We're using this one currently. We're not using the momentum yet. We're not using the momentum strategy yet. We are using this strategy, the MACD strategy. Now, let me quickly explain again and then I drop the promo code. So, how do we make use of the MACD strategy? We can merely use the MACD strategy to trade in two ways. Number one, using the bars of the MACD. These bars you are seeing here, green, red, green, red, green, red. We can use them to trade. Number two, we can also use them to trade. We can also trade using the crossover. Yes. Now, how do we avoid trade? If it's crossing over like this, it crossed and crossed and crossed and crossed. If it's crossing over frequently, avoid trading. Yes, avoid trading. It means the market is stagnant at that point, and you do not want to trade on a stagnant market. You definitely do not want to trade on a stagnant market. So, if it's crossing over frequently, stop trading. Do not trade then. Look for other pair to trade. So you can see this trade is going our way massively. It's going our way massively. Although we use a short time frame or candlestick time frame of 3 minutes, but it's still going our way. All right. So now, how do we take a buy using the MACD pictogram alone? These bars are the MACD pictogram or the MACD bars. We take a buy if there are one or two green bars. It means the third one is likely to be a green bar. So you take a sell at the end of the second bar, second green. You take a buy at the end of second bar. If there are one or two red bars, it means the third one is likely to be a red bar. So you take a what? A sell. Very easy. The other way you trade is when the lines cross. If the MACD line, which is this line, crosses over the trend line upwards. So we are now up now. We are up. We are up $9.6. Yes. So this is what we made. So we have turned our $5 plus $9.6. Let me quickly do the calculation because we are here to make money today. 5 plus 9.6. So we are now at $14 right now. So I can comfortably use $10 to take another trade. No, let me still use $5. Let me still use $5 because I'm still not there yet. So, okay, so let me quickly explain the crossover that you can use to enter. Now, if the two line crosses over, the green line crosses over the red line, one is facing upwards, it means you take a buy. So if you have taken a buy here, you would have made money. Now, if the green bar crosses below the red one, you take what is said, means the market is going down. If it crosses above, means the market is going up. Now that is said, let me quickly go and show you guys the code. Yes, so this is the code displayed on your screen. If you like, you can screenshot it, you can snap it, screen grab it, copy it, record it. This code will give you 100% bonus of whatever you deposit. Yes, whatever you deposit, it will give you 100% bonus. Let me quickly display it again. It will give you 100% bonus of whatever you deposit. So it will enable you to stay longer in the market. You stay longer, you have more trade options, you have more leverage, you have everything working for you because you use this code. So if you know you want to deposit, you have not deposited before, make use of this code. And also, you can use this code even if you are already existing user or you are a new user. Make use of this code to deposit, to stay long in the market so you can trade and make your money clean. So there are 3 red bars here. And our next thing is to take a what? Take a sell. We should take a sell. However, let's quickly take a look at the market structure. Up, down, up, down. This is kind of a stagnant market, but let's go back to this. So there are two you can see that they are increasing. If you are seeing increasing green bars, it means the market momentum is shifting to the top. Yes, if you see two increasing red bars, it means the market momentum is shifting to the top. However, if the line is flat like this, like I've always said, avoid trading. But now we can see that I try. Okay, if this one ends, and let's just wait for this line to end. If you see this kind of flat bars like this, please avoid trading. Avoid it. So let's avoid this for now. Let's come to this one. Okay, there are 4 bars here, but I think we've already missed our entry, so let's leave this one alone for now. We have missed our entry. We already have this. You see, it turned to green. So let's leave that one. Let's go to the next one. Okay, okay. So let's take it by. I think we might have fucked up. I think so, because it has already, you can see there are already how many bars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 green bars. So the momentum might have run its course, but nevertheless, we have entered for 30 minutes. Let's wait for it to develop. Let's wait for it to develop. This one has already gone up. So if you are seeing green bars that are increasing, it means the momentum is for a what? A climbing market, a trending market, a raging market. Yes, if you see green bars increase, that means the market is going up. So once you see one, two green bars that are increasing, my brother, do not wait for me to tell you to what? Take a buy. Don't wait for me to tell you to quickly take a buy. Don't wait. Don't wait. Quickly take a buy the moment you see 2 green bars increasing. Take a buy at the end of the second bar. This trade is going against us. Let's see it. Take a look. Oh my god. We still have 3 minutes on the clock. So you can see these bars are kind of equal. And the market is yes, this market is climbing. This market is climbing little by little. The market is climbing little by little. It's climbing little by little. But let's not take another trade until this one is done. Let's not take another trade until this one is done. Climb down, up. This market is clearly, it's not clearly on a downtrend. This market can shift at any time, and it's still shifting. So let's wait a little bit for this trade to close. Oh my god. If it closes against us, then we are going to know what to do. So let's see if it let's wait for it to close first. Go up, go up, go up. Yes, you can do it. You can do it. Oh my god. Don't scare us. Don't scare us. Just go up, go up, go up. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Yes, you can make it. You too can make it. You can make it. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. You can make it. You can make it. Don't close against me on my line. Don't close on my line. Don't close on my line. These trades are very risky trades. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. E. It's a very close one. 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 It keeps going up and down the line. Oh my god, it was tough. It was a very close one. I told you guys, it just keep going up and down my line. I told you I entered too late. I entered too late. If I've entered here, I would have been making money, but I entered late. That was why. So let's go and simply remove $5 for what we have made. So let's minus 5. So we are now at 9.6. So let's take the next trade with a what? Let's take the next trade with a $5 amount. Let's see. Okay, let's leave this one. We would have entered here, but the market has gone far. One, two, three. Let's leave this one. No entry here. Okay, we have two. If this one closes in a red, we are taking a sell. This one closes red, we are taking a sell. Let's take a sell here. Okay, guys, are you there? Are you there, guys? Well, I've taken a sell, but the moment we took a sell, seems the market started to turn against us. I don't know why. I don't know why. It should be going our direction. But that is how trades are. That is how trades are. It might be going your direction, might not be going your direction, especially if the market is not stable or there's a news that came. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, keep coming down, keep coming down now. Keep coming down now. Keep coming down now. This market is climbing. I would like to enter a sell here. One, two, three. Let me risk it and take a sell. Okay. Keep coming down, keep coming down. So you see, you saw why I took a sell here. You can see that there are three green bars that are increasing. So it's very likely that the market is still going to continue going upwards, which means the market is in an uptrend. And you can see that this market is going up. From here, it started to go up. You can see higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. So the market is kind of a trending upwards market, a bullish market. That's what we call it in crypto. This one is not going against us. This one is going, this one is, let's see how many minutes left on the clock. 31 seconds left on the clock. Let's see if it can calm down enough for us to win this trade. If not, then we have lost and we calculate and move forward. Can you please calm down? Can you do it? Can you calm down? No, I don't think so. It's not going to calm down before the trade closes. It's not going to calm down before the trade closes. Oh shit. Okay. So we're now left with $4.6 right now. And we used $5 to enter this trade. What do you think you are doing? What do you think you are doing? I don't think I entered too late. One, two, three. Oh my god. What is going on here? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Did I enter too late? One, two, three, four. So let's see how many trades you've taken today. Taking 3 trades. One, the first one was a win. First, second two was a loss. And this one, I think we can win this. I think we can win this. I think we can win this though. I think we are winning it. Yes, we are winning it. We are winning it. Yes, we are winning it. We are winning it. We are winning it. Yes, we are winning it. I saw it where it was a trending market, a bullish market. I saw it and I entered. It is a bullish market. Yes, we are winning this. Don't you want to tell me? So we have won it. All right, so we are now back to what? $9.6. So we're back to $9.6. We're back to $9.6. Let's look for another good pair. Euro. I don't trust this market. This is not a good structure. This is not a good structure. I don't trust this market. It's not a good structure. I don't trust this. I don't trust this. Let's go back to Euro USD. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa. Look at that trending market. Look at that bearish market. Whoa, whoa, whoa. One, two, three. You can see there are 5 gold bars and they are all increasing. Whoa, 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 whoa. I would have taken it at the end of the second candle. I would have been in profit. But we came too late. We came too late. You see that the market is already done it. You see the market is already doing its movement. Please do not go and enter right now. That was why we lost our third trade, because the market already done the movement before we entered. So you see, so you can't enter right now anymore because it has already done the movement. We don't know when it's going to end. So let's leave it. Let's leave it for now. Let's go to the next one. Oh my God, this is another movement. You can see it's crossed upwards, crossed upwards. So you can see that the thing is going up. But we are also late again. There are already 3 bars here. There are already 3 bars. So let's leave it for now. The market is going up. There are also 3 bars here. And they are ranging. It's on their green bars, red bars that are decreasing. So let's leave this. Hmm. There's a red bar and 2 green bars. Let's leave it. Okay, okay. But the bars are too tiny. So let's leave that. Let's go back to Euro USD. You can see. I think the momentum might not be over. Okay, the momentum is definitely over. So if there's another red bar, then we're definitely taking a sell. The momentum might be over. Let me quickly put this vertical line here. Let's see. That's kind of a resistance zone. Kind of a resistance zone. So it's a resistance zone, not a resistance line. So yes, kind of a resistance zone. Yes, kind of a resistance zone. So I think we're going to be entering. Let's quickly confirm the rest. This one is still going up. Hey, come on, leave that. I'm busy. Sorry, guys. Okay, we're taking the sell. Please excuse me, guys. Excuse me. I'm busy, okay? Come on. Sorry for that, guys. Someone was knocking on my door. Okay, so you see, so the market is in a downtrend. It's in a bearish trend right now. Yes, so the market is in a bearish trend. So I entered immediately. You can see that there are two red bars before I entered. And you can see where the market is now. And I bet the market is going to continue going there. Okay, so let's wait for that trade to close. There's a support here, but I do not really know if that support can hold. Then let's put another line. Another line. Okay, yes, there is a resistance around here. This is a this is a support. Okay, see, touches here and go back up, touches here, goes back up. It touches here, comes down. This is a resistance line. So let's see. Let's see if this one will go our way. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Let's see. Okay. Two red bars that are decreasing. It means the market is going down, but the momentum is decreasing. The momentum is not increasing. Momentum is decreasing. Yes, this is exactly what I'm talking about. So if you want to be 100% sure with this strategy, look for the red bars that are decreasing or green bars that are increasing. Yes, if you want to be 100% sure with this strategy, look for increasing red green bars or decreasing red bars. Anytime you see this decreasing red bars, is a 100% guarantee to enter. It means the momentum on the downtrend is increasing. You can see the red bar is decreasing now. The momentum on the uptrend is what is decreasing. Now when it came here, it started increasing. So sellers, the momentum of sellers became increased, as in the rate at which the sellers were entering the market was that increased, not the sellers that are already there. No, this is sellers that are now entering. Just like you have a house, visitors are now entering your house. You don't count the visitors that are already there already. So we are up again. So we've made plus, we used $5 and we got, yes now. So we've taken 5 trade, we won 3, we lost 2. Let's see if this momentum is still there. No, let's leave it. Let's go and calculate. We use $5 from it and then we got, that's plus 4.6. So we're now at $40 now. So we can use another $5 again. After using $5 again for another trade, then we are switching over to what? To $10. So let's go back. Okay. So okay. I think we are too late already. It has crossed our resistance line, so it should be going up. But I think we might be too late. It might be too late. Let's leave it. It's a very risky trade. Two green bars that are not kind of increasing. Let's leave this one. Okay, there's a red bar. Okay, there's another, okay, there's one green bar, another red bar. So let's wait. If there's another bigger red bar, if there's another bigger red bar, we are taking a what? A sell. So let's just wait. It has crossed, but you see that line is not diverging. It crossed, but it's still tangling. It's just crossed and they are just together. They did not diverge. Do you understand? So I have taught you guys several ways to take the trading with this. Oh, we are already seriously going out of time. We are getting out of time. Okay, let's leave this trade. I think we'll continue from where we stopped next week, because the time for this trade is very, very limited. Okay, yes, I'm taking a sell here. I'm taking a sell here for another $5. I think these two red lines that are increasing made me to take a sell. Although I didn't wait for this line to close, I should have waited for this bar to close. I should have waited for this bar to close. Let's see. I think we're going to be continuing. Alright, guys. So if you have watched me to this point, my name is Smiling Josh, and I'm that guy that teach people how to trade with best and the most simplest of all strategies that you know. Now, please make use of this deposit code to deposit. This code you are seeing on your screen. Make use of it to deposit so that you can receive 100% of the amount that you have deposited. Yes, 100%. When you use this code to deposit, you receive 100% that will make you stay in the market longer, make you trade, have more trade, and make you so that your account will not blow easily. So if you are depositing $100, $200, $300, $400, make sure to use this code that you are seeing on your screen right now. So screenshot it, screen grab it, copy it, type it out, do whatever one that suits you best. Let's go back to our trade. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is what I do not like to see. This is what I do not like to see. Like I told you guys, I've avoid taking a trade when the lines are what together or they are crossing each other constantly. I avoid taking a trade. I've made a mistake now and I'm paying the price. But nevertheless, we are still in the market. We are still in the market. We won the last two trades. We won the last trade, so we have a lot of capital to proceed. So if I see another good entry right here, if I see another good entry, I'm taking it. I told you, I told you, I told you. The momentum was like, okay, so we are taking the MACD bars are green and the market is going up. Decreasing green means the momentum is fading. That's why the market is going up. But let's wait and let's leave this one. They are decreasing. Let's wait. Please, when trading, do not rush. But we have limited time. That is why we are rushing here. Two green bars, so we are taking a what? A sell. A buy, I mean. We are taking a buy. Why? Because two green bars here. So we are taking a buy. Oh my God. We are taking a buy, but we should have waited for this green to close. Okay, it closed green, so we are taking a what? So we are right. Okay, we have lost this trade. Let's look into this. So let's go and let's do the subtraction. 14 points, $14.2 minus $5. So we have $9.2 currently, and this trade seems to be going our way for now. So if we win this, I'm going to add the profit again and see where we are now. But we still have money, so I can decide to take another trade. These lines are still romancing each other, so this is a no-go. Okay. This is a pure no-go area. This, you can see it here. This is a pure no trade zone. No trade zone. Let's see how far our trade is going. Do you want to go against us? Don't do that. We've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is making it 7. We've won 3. We lost 3. This should be going our way, but it's going downwards. And that's the problem with the markets. That is the problem with the markets. That is the problem with the market. Oh my God, this red bar. This is a betrayal. When you see green bars that are in descending, so let's just quickly let's just assume that it is a loss and minus another $5 from it. So we currently have $4 left. So let's take a sell. Let's take a sell with $4. Let's take a sell with $4 right now because of our strategy. Mm. 73% is so low and so small. Okay, didn't go our way. Don't care as long as we are still in the markets. Okay, that one is a loss. That one has ended in a loss. It should go up. It should have gone up, but the momentum did not last, so it came down and it ended in a loss. And this one should be going downwards. You need to be going downwards, please. Okay, let me see 3 minutes time frame. I seriously did not understand. 3 minutes time frame. It's going against us. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want you to know, guys, in a case of a day that you are having a bad day, you are losing, what do you do? If you are having a bad day, just like I'm having a bad day right now, my strategy is not working out. I don't, because of the market, the strategy is not yet working. What do you do if you are in my position? Now, there's only one thing you can do. You should have a target profit and a target loss, so that once you meet the loss or the profit, you leave the market. So you should have that. If you make 3 losses, you leave the market. If you make 3 wins, you leave the market, so that you don't go end up blowing your accounts. So that is what you should do. Please do not follow me to be trading, because I'm on live stream and I need to trade for a particular time before I leave. And that is why I kept trading, even though the market is not going my way. Do you understand me? So we're going to take one last trade. After this one ends, be taking one last trade before we leave. Before that, I will be sharing the code again the last time. Now, what did I say? If you are trading and the market is not going your way, have a target for trading every day you enter the market. That target will keep you trading. That target is being what to keep you, so that you do not blow your account totally. So you should have a maximum loss. Let's say 2 losses and you quit, 3 wins and you quit. So just keep that in back of your mind, in the back of your mind. If you have 2 losses, you leave for that day. If you have 2 wins, you leave for that day. Do you understand me? So yes, that is what you need to do, so that you do not blow your accounts. That is one of the best characters of a good trader. Even though you are having bad days, because in trading you must have bad days. Yes, you must. But you should know when to leave the market and when to enter the market, so that you do not blow your account, because as long as you still have capital left, there is still chances to recover. My last stream for the week for this month is going to be about how to recover all your losses that you have made. Yes, I'm going to be teaching you in a strategy, in a way to recover your strategy. So please, I want to see you guys there. So we have come to the end of today's trading. The market is not going our way, so let's end it here. Now, this is the code displayed on your screen one last time. It is 100% for new beginners and already existing users. Yes, so make sure to use this code to trade. Use this code to deposit. If you are new or you are not new, use this code to deposit to give you 100%, so that you can stay longer in the market, last longer. And see you next week for another stream that I'm going to be showing you how to recover your losses